Hello and welcome back to the Dan and Steve Show. Today we're talking about paid search demystified. Dan, the space grew up on keyword bids and open auctions, but we know that even over just the last few years, so much has changed. Bid strategies are going nuts. Other things happening, localization of search, multiple device search. Take us through some of what's going on and why it's not all about keywords and bids.
Yeah, I mean, back in the good old days, you could bid jam someone by bidding a penny below and make them exhaust their budget by noon. Those times were fun, but I mean, first the big change was the rise of quality score. Nothing new news, but the keyword relevance. So optimization is not just around am I bidding $1 or $2, but how do you make your ads more relevant? How do you group your keywords in a way? And what's that landing page experience for the customer?
So quickly back to quality score. The idea of quality score is that everything is in alignment across the whole ecosystem so that the picture's painted for you to have a high quality ad, high quality landing page, high quality keyword, ultimately earning the trust of what's happening there so your quality score goes up.
Yeah, and there's a lot of little nuances you can talk to, but at the end of the day, it's all about having a good user experience and presenting a relevant experience for the customers. But shifting back from bids to customers, it's that user context that's really driving performance from paid search nowadays. So the rise of bid modifiers with enhanced campaigns with Google, Bing's doing the same thing. It's not just about am I bidding $1 or $2, but what is that keyword worth to an individual user based on their device, their demographics, based on their proximity to the store.
It's where they are and what they're doing.
Where they are, what they're doing, and what they have done. So with RLSA's remarketing list for search ads, you can bid 200% higher if someone's already been to your site or added to the cart. So it's about understanding the user context and using those bid modifiers, using that data about your own customers to drive your bid strategy.
So bid strategies have to evolve with the amount of data we have about our customers and understanding the customer actions, where they are in the purchase cycle, where they might be in the world at the time that we're serving our ad.
Yeah, and it's also about leveraging tools, but not relying on the magic optimization button. Every platform says, they have this beautiful algorithm, and a lot of them do. We've tested all of them. And there's a lot of ways where algorithms can help manage bid strategy at scale. But strategy is the key. You need to understand how to segment campaigns, how to align keywords with bid strategies, and also what are those business inputs and business rules and position thresholds that are going to really drive performance that work for the brand.
So I think what I'm hearing you say is that there's a lot of technology out there, and there's a lot of great uses of that technology, but you need to have smart users of that technology to make the technology as smart as it should be to drive revenue, drive conversions for our customers.
Absolutely. Know your own data.
Know your own data. There you have it, folks. Thanks for joining us for the Dan and Steve Show. Tune in again for another paid search myth demystified. Like what you're seeing? Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.